So-called baseline killer trial.
Yeah, the trial is expected to continue for several more months, but today, unexpectedly, the defense rested without even calling a witness.
And our lead reporter on this, Christopher Stein, joins us now. And why such a bold move in this case?
Really, what I've been told, Katie, is the defense is relying on what it calls a weak prosecution. And with that being said, Mark Goudeau's defense team believes they've been able to poke enough holes in the witness statements thus far to create enough doubt with the jury. So their strategy is to rely on the cross-examination of those who already testified. Mark Goudeau faces 74 felonies and a crime spree lasting 13 months dating back to 2005. It all includes 9 murders. Prosecutors call him the baseline killer and refer to him in court as a wolf in sheep's clothing. The trial began in June, and Goudeau's attorneys were expected to call officers, even a man currently in prison, to testify, aiming to create doubt, but not anymore. Shortly after the prosecution rested today, the defense surprisingly did the same. And keep in mind, Mark Goudeau has already been convicted for the sexual assault of 2 sisters and sentenced to more than 400 years. Also something noteworthy, this current trial is a death penalty case, and with all of these developments today, the closing arguments are now set for October 17th, and that's even more bizarre because this was supposed to go on until January.
Yeah, just a couple of weeks away, and it's bizarre too because as you've been reporting, there were supposed to be star witnesses for the defense. I mean, have they given an indication why they didn't call them?
No, they're simply relying on what the prosecution did. And that one star witness is a current Phoenix police officer who is almost conducting his own investigation into these murders. And he almost brought on questions that could have swayed a lot of people in this because he was saying that somebody else could have been tied to these. Obviously, the defense now has a change of heart.
Yeah, their job just to poke holes in the case.
That's right.
Thank you, Christopher.